y'all, Merry Christmas. Uncle Bud here. We're doing something a little special right now. We'll do a little hot chocolate for you, hot cocoa, depending on what you want to call it. Well, here we are a few days before Christmas. I figured we get something out for you. Nice little treat. Make everything festive and what have you. So we're going to get into it real quick. It's pretty simple. Get you a pot. Put you about 3/4 cup water. And we're going to let that get a little warm. And that we're adding in here. That's a 1/4 cup of a good baking cocoa. And 1/2 cup white granulated sugar. Dump that all in. We're going to let this come to a boil. Let that sugar melt down. That chocolate hydrate and incorporate. There we go. Heavy pinch of salt. Now, this is actually kind of basic to a lot of recipes, but I like to get a couple extra flavor notes in there. So I like to take me about 1/2 a Milky Way bar. Let that melt in as well. Yep, just one. Bloop. As you can see, everything's melting and taking it on the heat, off the heat, on the heat, all the heat. Don't want to scorch anything. You see, smells nice. Now I'm going to turn the heat off. At this point, we're going to add in our dairy. So here I got, that's 3 cups of whole milk and 1 cup of heavy whipping cream. That gives a very nice velvety smooth texture for the mouth. There we go. I'm going to let it sit back on this hot eye here. We ain't going to turn it back on yet. Now the ideal temperature for hot chocolate, hot cocoa, 145 degrees Fahrenheit. So once you get there, it's once you're just about done. But don't let it boil. That will ruin due to the milk. Well, it's not the milk go bad, but then you get your milk fat starting to separate out, and then it's not what you want. You have a layer on top, and ain't nobody want that. Definitely don't give that to Santa Claus. You do that, you're gonna get worse than a lump of coal in your stocking. Might get some reindeer droppings. Alright, so we're just about at our temp. I'm gonna take a whisk out. So whisking is pretty good. Pump the froth up the chocolate. Get air incorporated because we have that heavy cream in there. You see how it's making extra froth. Put a nice head on it for us. That's going to help hold our whipped cream up so it doesn't fall too quick down there. Now you can use marshmallows. I like whipped cream. If I got the time, I like to make my own. Sometimes the stuff in the can works just fine. Look at that. Alrighty. Now, I'm going to reset here and show you how to dress this up. So we're going to take a couple of ladles of hot cocoa here. Now take as much as you want, but I'd leave a little space at the top. Just so you're not noisy. Banging everything around, trying not to make a mess. And then we use one more. There we go. Alrighty. So, next this time, I'll be using the old can stuff. Anyway, it's still made with cream. Saves you time. But it works. Just start in the center. Like so. Make this look special. Get you some good, like 7% cacao dark chocolate. Take that. Just shave a little bit on top. Look at that. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Beautiful. Now, final note. Cinnamon candy cane. You can find them. They're my preferred kind. You pop that right in there. Let me fit that like so. Yummy. Merry Christmas. Have y'all have a happy new year. Hopefully I'll have a video out that week too. You know, a little busy right now. Thank y'all for sticking with me. Tell your mom and them. We'll see you next time.